Alright, here is where I'm at as far as the shed build goes. I got a bunch of cinder block. I don't have to use all of it by any means, but I will be using some of it in the build. I imagine this carport structure will be used as part of the structure. I'm going to be reinforcing it with extra 2x4 studs between at least one, maybe two. Anyways, so the back of the shed will come to the back of the house here. We've got like 4.5 feet of a slope, which is grass, and then at the top of the slope is where his driveway is concrete. So need to decide what I want to do with the slope exactly. Is it worth filling in all of this, or digging out and making a flat, kind of almost like a lower level section? That's something that will have to be decided. Let's see. This bush will be cut back so that there'll be a nice straight line, plenty of area for the back of the shed. So I'm thinking one row of brick underneath the studs and the sill under as far as on the concrete goes. That's pretty much takes you up to the frost line, just like on the house. As I don't know if you can see it, but got one row of bricks. So I'll be about 3 feet from the house, and then have 3 feet to play with over here about. Then the plan is with this carport is basically be coming up. I'm going to be doing a slope roof, 17 high on that side, 17 feet, 12 feet, which is, that isn't going to change, but basically it's going to go beyond the peak and go continue elevating, and then have a couple, it's just going to be a modified truss. Got some steel siding. That's the plan, is to steel side and roof it, and then eventually I'm going to be insulating, so that's going to have to be considered in this build. So now we're making our way to the front of the shed. Have a well there, so I can't be too close. This is pretty much the closest I can get. And let's see. I got a good bit of lumber too that I'll be using as part of the build. A bunch of 4x4s, some 2x4s. I know I'm going to have to be buying a bit more of those. A lot of 2x6s. Those will come in handy for the sills. And then just some plywood. I don't know if I'll be doing anything with that as far as the structure goes. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So just trying to come up with a plan, mainly for that slope, and how I want to do the base. You know, do I need footings? I'm planning on putting in right now. It seems like a 4x4 or larger, and cementing those, or concreting those into the ground at the bottom of the slope. We'll probably a few of those on the slope. And not sure exactly how I want to incorporate the brick. If you have any ideas, please let me know. At this point, I'm pretty unsure how I want to do that, but whatever makes sense and will hold up. And yeah, any ideas, please let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.